Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making sweet potato oatmeal pancakes, y'all. Now, here are the ingredients. Here is my already cooked sweet potato. I just need one. I'm going to mash that up. Also added to that, I will be using some oatmeal. That's 3 packets. If you have just a container, you can use about 1 cup. That should be good. Now right there is a little bit of plain Greek yogurt. I will be using a little bit. I also have 1 egg that I will be using, as well as some maple syrup. I'm going to use a little bit in the batter to make it sweet, since I'm not using any regular sweet, as well as imitation vanilla. I was going to say vinegar. I don't know why. Yeah. Also for my seasoning, I will be using ground cinnamon, as well as a little bit of nutmeg. You don't need much. Now that right there is actually baking soda, as well as I'm going to be using baking powder. And to pretty much cook my pancakes, I like to use a little bit of olive oil as well as vegan butter. So that's pretty much it. Let's get started. All right, so in a bowl, I pretty much have my sweet potato. I have that mushed up already, and I'm gonna be adding in a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon. Now, as far as the nutmeg, it's very strong, so all you need like half a teaspoon. I think I put a little too much, but it still came out pretty good. And you can put more cinnamon, not that much. You only need half teaspoon of the baking powder, as well as the half a teaspoon of the baking soda, and go ahead and put that in there as well. Now I will be adding in a dash of vanilla extract. You don't have to put too much, but a dash should be good. And then I will be adding in some of my maple syrup. Now a little bit later I will be adding in a little bit more to make it a little bit more thinner. But you can put about, let me see, about 3 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons, because you do want to make it sweet. Now, also will be adding in my 1 egg, as you see here, as well as my yogurt. For the yogurt, you can put like, let me see, about 2 tablespoons, if I'm not mistaken, about 2 tablespoons, and you should be good. Now that right there is my oatmeal. Like I said, if you have packages, that's 3 packages. But if you just have the, can, you just use about, I think I said a cup, but half a cup should be good. And go ahead and stir that. And once I stirred it, I pretty much seen that I needed a little bit more liquid. So yeah, that's why we'll be adding in a little bit more of, see right there how it looks? Yeah, I will be adding in a little bit more of that syrup. And go ahead and mix that. And then we're pretty much ready to fry. Okay, so yeah, I don't know the clip where I first did it, but yeah, I guess I already did it best, as you can see from the little bits and residue on the pan. Yeah. So yeah, put a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter in the pan, and go ahead and mix it around, make it sure it's frothy like that. And you just want to go ahead and put the batter inside of the pan. I had like an ice cream scoop. However, it's not the one that you can like release. So yeah, which I don't really like this one. So yeah, I will be using like the rest of my hands to like get the part that's stuck in the middle. But after you drop it on there, you just pretty much just want to pat it down and just fry it on the first side for about shouldn't take that long, about 2.5 minutes until it get brown pretty much, and then do the other side. It takes only about probably like a minute or less to do the other side, and just go ahead and do all of them. Okay, so now we're ready to plate, and ta-da! Yes, this is how it look. Yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty much gonna plate it, put a little bit of more butter, I guess, on top, even though I really don't need butter, but I guess I tried to, anyways. But yeah, after that, I'm just gonna pour the syrup on. Yes, yeah, and it tasted good. Like I said, I love like sweet stuff, which I have to slow down because yeah, but yeah, it was good, but it could have been more sweeter. I was trying to lower the sweetness because yeah, my doctor said I can have all this sweet stuff more. So yeah, it's the sweet one. Kind of make it lesser sweet, but it was still good. If you want to make it sweeter, you can go ahead and do so. But yeah, after you try this recipe, make sure you try this recipe out, and make sure you tag me or comment below. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You have a blessed day.